Hi guys, today I will attempt to make a quick video on a newer style Volvo. This is a 2020 on the replacement of the brakes along with the disc brake. If you look inside there, let's see if I can turn on. Yep. Let's see if this does anything. Anyways, I'll remove the wheel and show you a little better, but there's cracks on that rotor. So that's the main reason why I'm doing this. So I'll show you. I've never done this job before, but I think I should be able to figure it out as we go. So stay in touch. Obviously you wanna let the boss do some work as well, right? What do you think?
It's fun.
Fun? Okay, cool. Pull the wheel off.
Alright. I need to get a pair of gloves.
Oh, okay.
You know where?
Alright, so on top here there's this bolt. This thing goes in there and basically just remove that bolt. It goes like that. Remove the bolt on top. This comes to the side. Put the bolt back in place so you don't lose it, obviously. Uh-oh, my left hand. Okay, so then I was like, these should just slide up, the pads. I was looking around and I find this thing in the back over there covering a bolt. And that's the bolt that you release the pads, basically back them up, give it space to pull them out. Like I said, guys, I am figuring this out as I go, so stay with me. Give me a chance, I will remove it.
The whole time. How are you going to put it on YouTube?
So, for the front one, I had to actually remove, loosen these back bolts. There's 3 on each side. Right here. To slide this whole thing a little bit forward. That's the only way I could take this off. Because, and this is actually very interesting, I guess this whole thing slides back and forth like this. So I'm gonna remove these bolts. This whole thing should come off, and then we're gonna take the hub off.
Yay!
So I just scooted this back a little bit to be out of the way. I'm clear to remove this. I just want you to guys see this, and I wonder why it's like this. Crack, crack, crack again. Now check out the back. The back doesn't have any. Please let me know why this happens. Me personally, I think the reason why this happens is because this truck is equipped with the self-braking system, and I believe that that's only on the front axle. Now I might be wrong. Let me know if you guys know something different.
Take the brake off, and then we're going to change the seal. There will be a lot of oil leaking out. Stuck on.
Look at that oil, how clean it is.
Oil's really clean. It's even cleaner
So that is actually really good because
It's just the routers
that tells me I don't need to worry about the
seal.
No,
The oil.
about the bearings.
Yeah, the bearings are really good. It's only the routers that are really, really bad.
The rotors.
Rotors. So, we're gonna take the brake off and then we're gonna get the rotors settled. I don't know which one. Are we changing the seals or the rotors?
Both.
Both.
The only problem is that guy from the dealership gave me garbage seals. He gave me
The truck for it,
no, he gave me Temcos, so I might just take this off, take the other side off, get everything on there, and then tomorrow morning we'll go get new good seals.
Yeah.
Put it back together with good seals because I don't want to play around. All right, the hub was off. So this here required a different size socket like I would use in my old truck. So I had to go and buy it actually. But that's about it. Everything else is simple. This cone is inside your hub, and the reality is that you're supposed to change this one every time, I think. And you retorque it. I have to look on the specs because I don't have the exact, but I think it's around 200 or 300 pounds. Anyway, there is the rotor with the hub. I'm gonna take all these out. This should come off, and then we will replace it. And this seal also has to get replaced, and we'll do that now. Alright guys, so small difference. Look at this rotor, pay attention, and the new one here, look how much thicker it is. So anyhow, these are the new ones that I'm installing, these are the old ones I'm installing. They did send new ones with the kit. The rotor did came with brand new ones and nuts as well. So I just want to show you real quick how I take them off. I'll come here and hold the camera, hold it like this.
Alright.
Alright. So I take two of the old nuts, throw one on there, bring it down, tap almost all the way down. The other one on there as well. The bottom one you hold it in place with the open wrench. I hold that one now. And actually installing it, I do it the same way. So just so in case somebody's wondering. Alright, stop.
Alright.
Alright. The seal is new. This ABS plate is new. This is new. The inside is clean, ready to go in. The axle is also cleaned up, ready to go. So we gonna put this thing back in. Oh man, it's heavier than I thought.
I can't even lift the rotor like by itself.
You can't.
Nope, I can't. That's how heavy they are.
My back almost broke in half.
Yeah, it's really heavy. Well, now we just need to get the wheel on, and I think we'll be all set to do the other one. Let's see how the other one is. Is it more? Is it like better than this one, or? All right.
Okay, we got 250 pounds. Well, maybe I should go the right way first of all.
Yep, it needs to be the right way.
You know what I'm gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Do something smaller. Stop it for now.
All right.
To bring it close, because that was too aggressive. Oh, okay. I was gonna say something sludgy.
Something.
Oh, that feels pretty nice to me, I would say. Now, I think door it. Where'd that thing fall?
It fell right there.
Okay.
You need another t-shirt.
Do I? What are you implying, huh? I am.
No, I mean like a wipe t-shirt.
A wife t-shirt?
A wipe t-shirt.
How white? Are you racist?
No.
Are you being racist right now towards my t-shirt? Okay.
I meant those ones that we bought to make like.
So this is
ones.
250.
Yep. 250 pounds.
Okay.
We need to make sure that that's like actually tightened.
Yeah. So let's go to 300. Now we're gonna go to 350.
Oh, nice. So why do you have to overdo the pounds?
much?
Like, why do you have to do more pounds? What does it do? Does it make it tighter?
Okay, I think we are good.
If we are, that's great. We just have to put on the wheel, I think, and we're all good. And then we have to do the other one.
See this?
That's the caps thing, I think.
This is just a locking ring. Lock this in place. Now it's not gonna come loose. And now there's another one.
That goes over it.
Goes on top. Yeah. This just in case that one, I guess, comes somehow off. This one would be
still on.
So okay, for the locking rings, come here. There's holes here. You gotta see which one aligns, meaning like which one has the space for this thing in there. Stick it in there, make sure it goes in there all the way. And then you go and lock it in place. And you just have to make sure that sits in there like that. Now this second one actually is a little easier even. This is how I start them. Put them in there. And just goes around and around and around. And just make sure it's all in there. And that is it. This thing is locked. Now we're just gonna put the cap on. Already got the seal on there.
Perfect.
And you tighten these by hand first. You get them going. You never start with the gun. And this actually, I will use the gun, but if you don't have a good feeling in your hands, you should not be using the gun for this, because you can over tighten them real good. This whole thing is plastic, so you don't want to over tighten these.
Plus, it's probably made in China, so no wonder.
Unfortunately, yes, you are right.
Wonder if this whole truck is made in China.
Well, a good portion of it is probably. That's all it needs.
So then
now
we
we're
put
gonna
the...
put oil in to the level. And this side, we will just have to put this back on, put the new pads on there, and put the wheel on, and we are good to go.
Perfect.
Cool.
But if...
Alright guys, after a lot of mess done and stuff, this is done. The side is done. Obviously I'm not gonna be recording the other side. New pads, everything's back on there like it was. So hopefully it doesn't crack again, but I mean, I think it will be good for a while at least. So should be good. Thanks for watching. Struggling a little bit there too. Struggling a little bit, huh? Come on, professional driver. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. That's good. You set it to neutral? Okay. You can get out. Let it warm up a little bit. Brand new brakes.